distance. The most important factor is distance because ocean cut off communication between East and West.
Okay, great. Well, I had a lot of ideas about your paper, and I'm wondering, maybe you're writing to an academic audience, you know, people like professors who have this idea about how writing should be. So maybe you should try to talk about things that aren't myths and fairy tales, and maybe since the assignment said that you should talk about artifacts, you should maybe think about something closer to those, maybe. And I also think, I also think maybe that your thesis statement might need to be a little bit tighter, a little bit more connected with the rest of the paper. If you're going to talk about several different things, I think maybe sometimes you want your thesis to kind of connect many different ideas and then talk about them later after the paper. And I think, don't you think that maybe sometimes you speak in the past tense and sometimes you speak in the present tense, and I think a lot of times we want to try to speak all in the same tense, so maybe you could do the present tense if you want to do that consistently, or maybe you want to do the past tense. It depends on what you do. You could probably do either one because I don't think your professor requires something, but I think you should probably do something consistent throughout the entire thing.
I'm just wondering, does this sentence make sense to you? Like this one, yeah.
You might consider revising it actually so that it makes a little bit more sense to the audience. I think that they are coming from a different place than you are, so I think maybe it'd be a good idea to maybe back it up a little bit so that the audience understands what you're saying. Maybe it might be a good idea to talk about, to kind of give some background and talk around it.
Okay. I'm not sure about this expression. I'm not sure American people understand what I'm saying with this expression because this very Chinese stuff.
Okay, well what do you think? I think maybe you should, or what do you think about, I don't know how to be indirect like that.